we're here to discuss building a robust management system foundation. This program is your strategic launchpad for achieving unparalleled operational excellence through ISO 9001. It's about setting a universal standard for your organization's success. Over 1 million companies trust ISO 9001 to drive quality and efficiency. Our program empowers you to transform your organization, leveraging real-world expertise to enhance customer satisfaction and streamline processes. This is about strategic transformation. Our approach is battle-tested, forged from 25 years of hands-on implementation. This executive-focused content provides a complete blueprint, ensuring your leadership team gains strategic insights and practical requirements for sustainable success. Our track record speaks for itself. Over 100 successful certifications and 25 years of experience. We bring global trust and proven results, guiding organizations like yours to achieve and maintain operational excellence consistently. For leadership, we provide a clear implementation roadmap, robust risk mitigation strategies, and precise resource planning. Crucially, we equip you with effective buy-in strategies to ensure organization-wide commitment and success. ISO certification isn't just compliance, it's a profound strategic advantage. It positions your organization for competitive differentiation, driving efficiency and enhancing market perception. This is about gaining an edge. We help you transform compliance requirements into genuine operational excellence. By understanding commitments up front, you can set realistic expectations and turn regulatory necessities into powerful competitive advantages for your business. Our Foundation Online Mastery Training Program offers strategic clarity, practical tools, and eliminates common risks. It ensures you gain a competitive advantage, transforming compliance into market differentiation and sustained operational excellence. MSI is your trusted partner, boasting a 100% success rate in achieving certification for our clients. We provide unparalleled expertise and support, ensuring your successful ISO implementation and long-term strategic growth. Are you ready to launch your success? Choose preparation over guesswork. Our online training program provides the strategic clarity and practical tools for your executive team to turn ISO certification into your definitive competitive advantage.